This is the National Weather Service office in Green Bay. We have just activated the warning alarm tone, which normally precedes the broadcast of emergency messages. This is a test of the warning alarm tone for Noaa weather radio stations: WXJ89 Wausau, KIG 65 Green Bay, WXN 69 Sister Bay, WWG 88 Crandon, WWF 40 Coloma, WNG 552 New London, KC2XBC Gresham, WNG 553 Wisaki, and WNG 565 Rhinelander. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by this signal to warn you of an impending hazard. Tests of these receivers by this system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and noon. If there's a threat of severe weather, this test is postponed to the next available good weather day. The warning alarm, transmitted over these 9 Noaa weather radio stations in Wisconsin, will vary at any given location. This variability is normally more noticeable for greater distances, even if you're using a good quality receiver that is in perfectly good working order. This concludes the test of the warning alarm tone for this week. We now return to regular programming.